Hello everybody, my name is Jaimini and today I'm going to show you how to do 1960s inspired hair up. First you do is you create 3 sections, one ear to ear. There's 2 now, and then if you can tie it and put a clip on, and then now we created the 3rd section is by, if you can the guideline would be the point of the eyebrows on both sides. And then you can clip away the hairs. In the top section, what I'm gonna do is take little sections at a time and put some dry shampoo, which gives you volume, and a hairspray. And then if you can back comb about, say, 5 times. Again, continue doing it till you come towards the forehead. This will be the last section that you'll be backcombing. And the very front section, which is at least an inch, I'm leaving it on its own so that I can use it later on to cover the backcombed area. I'm going to just clip it away from the rest of the hair. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bunch all of the loose hairs that's there into a ponytail. It is going to be a quite high ponytail, right towards the crown. Put a hairband over it and make sure it's quite tight. You can do that by pulling the hairs together as shown. Now I'm going to apply some mousse to give that nice smooth finish. Comb it and then grip pin it for a tighter look. Don't forget to hairspray. Hairspray really holds the hair together. And you can use any hairspray, it doesn't have to be one particular brand. Now I'm going to take the front section that we clipped on earlier and I'm going to comb and create a beehive. As you can see, I've taken it slightly on the right hand side, not the hair's not taken all back, because if you see Audrey Hepburn's hair ups, they were slightly on the side rather than all combed back. And then I'm gonna pin it up, secure it, use grip pins. Also put one from the other side so it's nice and it stays locked in. Don't forget to spray again and try and smooth the stray hairs. Another pin to secure it further. And now the hair that we took from the front, I'm going to put it into the ponytail that we already created earlier. Put some hairspray so the hairs are nice and neat and slick. Now I'm going to put all the hairs towards the front and I'm going to pin it up with large pins. They're about 2.5 inch long pins. So put 2 on this side and then 1 on the other side. So it's nice and secured. Now bring all the hair back. And And then I'm going to put a hairband there so that when I create a loop later on, it's going to be easy. And a hairband further down near the tail of the hair. Sort of try and loosen up the hair a bit to create that loop. And now I'm going to loop it on as shown. It's similar to when you do a loop hairstyle, you create loads and loads of loops. You just roll them in, spiral the hair and roll them in. And then secure the big loop with grip pins. Again, what I've done is I've used larger pins. And then what I'm doing is spreading it up. Obviously I'm looking into the mirror and make sure that it's all balanced on from all the angles. And then where you loosened it up on the side, just put a hairpin, normal hairpin, not a grip pin, the hairpin. Just further spray and try and get some of the stray hairs. You can't get it 100%, but you can get it 99.9% of the hairs. Now we're gonna reinforce a tiara. If you see, Audrey Hepburn used to wear a tiara. And you're done. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell.